In this quick video, I am going to show you how to copy a format style from one tab and paste it on another tab right here in Google Sheets. So if you're dealing with a lot of tabs or sheets within your spreadsheet and you just want to have a uniform style where all of them are formatted in the same way. For example, I already formatted this first tab right here. I have my headers in bold, also in a font style that's called cabin. I also have this border lines, which are dashes with my rows, and that's basically it. But if I have to do that all over again for my other tabs right here, that will take some time. So instead of repeating the same process for my other tabs, what I'm going to do is to simply copy the format style, then paste it on my other tabs. So how do we do that? Well, first go back to the tab where you want to copy the format style. Select everything. I just press Ctrl A or Command A on my keyboard. Then I'm going to go to the Paint Format tool right here in the toolbar. Click on that. There you go. Then go to your next tab where you want to paste that format style and just click on the first cell within your data. Click on that, and there you have it. It's automatically applied to your data. So before I paste the format style, our font style was Arial, our headers are not in bold, and we don't have those border lines for our rows right here. So if we were to redo the action of pasting the format style, here we have it. We have our headers in bold, our font style is now in cabin, and we also have those borders that are dashes in between our rows. And there you have it. Now we're going to do the same thing for the rest of our tab. So this time I'm just going to copy what's been pasted on this data right here. Again, select all. Then go to the Paint Format tool here in the toolbar. So that tool actually looks like a paint roller. Go to the next tab and just click on your first cell right here. And again, we've pasted the same format style on this data. Let's do that again. Copy, go to the next tab and paste. Again, copy, go to the next tab and paste. And there you have it. I did not have to go through all of that formatting again for all of my tabs. All I did was to copy my format style by using the Paint Format tool here in the toolbar. And that's how you can copy a format style from one tab to another here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.